So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to denoise a video in Adobe Premiere Pro from this to this. Much better. Open up your Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I've already started here. And then in effects, so click on the effects, or else you can even go to effects using this top navigation bar. And then over here in this search icon, type ADA. So as you can see, that showed up adaptive noise reduction. So this is the most difficult step. Pay attention. Okay, so you drag it and you drop it on the video you want. Okay, and so over here, as you can see, there's adaptive noise reduction, and so click on edit, and then over here this is the scale. So over here, and this 0 means the least noise reduction and 40 means the most highest noise reduction. So this decibel, this value, the highest value will depend upon your audio quality, also pitch noise. The higher the pitch noise, the more decibel reading it will be. And so I will suggest you not to crank it up to the full, because when you crank it up to the full, it will play with your audio, so the pitch won't be that high, the audio won't be that deep. And so use trial and error. Make sure that the value used works the best for you, or it works the best for your video specifically. And this noisiness, the same applies to your noisiness. So do the trial and error and see what suits you the best. Okay, and this is the Adobe Premiere Pro 2018. So in 2018 version there was this adaptive noise reduction, but in the newer versions it is denoiser. Let me show you. Okay, you just click here and type denoiser. So as you can see here, it is obsolete, but in the newer versions it shows up as denoiser and denoiser obsolete. There are two options, so you need to use the denoiser. And in denoiser there is just one scale, 0% to 100%. In that 0% means that no noise will be reduced, and 100% means that all of the noise will be reduced. Again, even in this 100%, just don't crank it up to the 100%, because the 100% sometimes plays with your audio and ruins it. So I would suggest go with an error and see what suits you the best. And that's all for this video.